Hello 8th graders! Today we are going to learn Unit 9 Science. The objectives are talking about past events, double-H questions, inventions and discoveries. Let's start. Our first topic is simple past tense. We use past simple to express a completed action at a definite time in the past. Simple past tense geçmişte belirli bir zamanda başlamış ve bitmiş eylemler için kullanılır. Last year I traveled to Italy. Geçen yıl İtalya'ya seyahat ettim. We use past simple to list a series of completed actions in the past. Simple past tense'i geçmişte tamamlanmış birkaç eylemi arka arkaya anlatmak için kullanırız. For example, I finished work, walked to the beach and found a nice place to swim. İşlerimi bitirdim, sahile yürüdüm ve yüzmek için güzel bir yer buldum. We also use past simple to describe a habit which stopped in the past. Simple past tense aynı zamanda geçmişte vazgeçtiğimiz alışkanlıklar için de kullanılır. I played basketball when I was a child. Çocukken basketbol oynardım. Let's look at the affirmative form. We add either D or ED to the base form of the regular verb to make it past. Want, wanted. Visit, visited. Play, played. There are some irregular verbs which we use in the simple past tense. They are do, did, sit, sat, come, came, drink, drank. Spelling rules. Let's look at the first one. If the verb ends with E, we only add D. Live, lived, dance, danced. If the verb ends with a consonant and Y, change Y to I and add ED. Cry, cried, try, tried. Another spelling rule. If the verb ends with a vowel and Y, we add ED. Play, played, stay, stayed. If the verb ends with a vowel, consonant, vowel, double the final consonant and add ed. For example, travel, traveled, stop, stopped. The negative form of past simple. To make the sentence negative, we use didn't plus verb 1. We use the subjects I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Then we add did not or the short form didn't plus verb 1. The examples. I didn't watch the ceremony yesterday. Dün töreni izlemedim. They didn't give Sam a prize. Onlar Sam'e ödül vermediler. He didn't go on holiday last summer. O geçen yaz tatile gitmedi. The question form. We use did plus the subject plus verb 1 to make a question in simple past. We use did in the beginning of the question, then we use our subjects I, you, we, they, he, she, it, and then we add verb 1. The examples. Did you read a book last week? Sen geçen hafta kitap okudun mu? Where did you go last summer? Geçen yaz nereye gittin? Did Graham Bell invent something? Graham Bell bir şey icat etti mi? Let's look at the time expressions for simple past. Past tense ile kullanabileceğimiz bazı zaman zarfları şunlardır. Last night, last month, last weekend, last year, or last Friday. Let's see the example. They went to Izmir last summer. Geçen yaz İzmir'e gittiler. Other time expressions are yesterday, in 2014, in December, 3 years ago, or 5 days ago. She didn't go to school yesterday. Dün okula gitmedi. His team won the cup in 2014. Onun takımı 2014'te kupa kazandı. We saw her 3 years ago. Biz onu 3 yıl önce gördük. Now it's time to practice. Let's look at the exercises. The first one. Max played football last Sunday. Here, we will make the sentence in the past. You have time. Okay, see the answer, please. Max played football last Sunday. The past form of play is played. This is a regular verb. The next one, let's look at number 2. Martin Cooper made the first mobile telephone call. Here, we will also make the sentence in the past form. Okay, you have time. Now let's look at the answer. Yes, Martin Cooper made the first mobile telephone call. Here, the past form of make is made. This is an irregular verb. Be careful, please. The next one. Where you go on holiday last summer? This is a question. Here, we will make a question. Please be careful. You have time to do it. Okay, let's see. Where did you go on holiday last summer? In this question, we use did and go to form a question. Okay, the next one. It's question number 4. Graham Bell not discover the continent of America. Here, we will make the sentence in the negative form of the past simple. You have time. Yes, let's see the answer. Graham Bell didn't discover the continent of America. Here, we use didn't for the negative form and verb 1. The next one, number 5. Marie Curie won 2 Nobel Prizes. Here, you will also make the sentence in the past. You have time. Okay, now we can see the answer. It's Marie Curie won 2 Nobel Prizes. Here, the verb win is an irregular verb. That's why we change win to won. Okay, number 6. My father not find the new application. Here, we will make the sentence in the negative form. Be careful, please. Okay, you can see the answer. Let's look, please. Okay, my father didn't find the new application. Here, we use didn't for the negative form and find for verb 1. Good. Okay, now we can continue with the double H questions. Let's look at them. There are who, what, when, which, where, how, and why. We will see some examples now. Let's start. Yes. Where was Albert Einstein born? Let's see the answer. He was born in Germany. With the question word where, we are asking for a place. Here, the answer is Germany. Okay, now let's look at the second one. What was Albert Einstein's job? Here, the question word is what. Let's see the answer. He was a physicist and genius. Okay, let's look at the next one. When did he receive the Nobel Prize in Physics? Here we use when to ask for the time or for the date. Let's see the answer. He received the Nobel Prize in 1921. This is the answer. The other question. What did Alexander Fleming discover? Here we also use what as the question word. The answer is he discovered the first antibiotic and penicillin. The next question. When did Albert Einstein die? Here we use when in the question to find the date or the time. Okay, the answer is he died in 1955. The next question. Who invented the first practical telephone in 1876? Here the question word is who. We are asking for a person. Let's see the answer. Yes, Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. The next one. Who discovered the continent of America? Here we also use who in the question. Of course, the answer is Christopher Columbus discovered America. Let's see the next question. Why did Stephen Hawking go to the Cambridge University? We use here why to ask for the reason. The answer. He went to Cambridge University to study cosmology. Okay, now we will learn here some information about the inventors and discoverers. Let's look at this picture, please. It is Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison invented the electric light bulb. This is Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton discovered the law of gravity. Yes, this is Galileo. Galileo invented the compass and the powerful telescope. The next one. The Wright brothers invented a powerful aircraft, as you can see in the picture. The next one. Benjamin Franklin discovered the electricity. Yes, this is Archimedes. Archimedes discovered the water screw. Yes, this is Henry Ford. Henry Ford invented the automobile. Okay, this is the end of the unit. Thanks for watching.